somehow I have a responsibility.
Do they know who you are? Why have you... Is there 3 locations?
Signpost Hill is your orange ribbon.
Yeah.
Comms is your purple ribbon.
Yeah.
East Fob is the green ribbon.
So it is just the 3. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's hit these 2 first.
Get that first,
do comms,
then come back
then
there.
sign.
Blues are going to try and hold both this and signpost. And our objective is we're going to try and get that first, hit 10 minutes, and then fall back to Signpost Hill, which is literally only there.
We're going to drop down and hold that so that
Thank
you can
you.
drop straight into
Appreciate
it.
that.
Right,
Come on! Right, fucking go.
Hold comms first.
Hello. Ah! Oh. Yeah. Contact!
Right, lads.
Fuck. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Like behind the building, yeah?
Yeah, they're literally going to call for your sight line. They're in A1 now.
Whoa! No,
Who's this movement here? By B1. There's movement.
They're pushing up. They're pushing up. They continue to push up. They're at A1 now.
Shit. Shit. Yeah, behind the hook, can you see?
Yeah, I see.
I'm gonna bang it, I think it's red, mate.
Are they going to bang it? Can't see.
Fine. Martin, you're still in, mate, you're still in.
You might have a chance now.
Get down, get down, get down, get down.
I see him.
Oh.
Watch out.
Coming in.
Enemies occupied that building approx 5 minutes ago, potentially at the back wall of it.
Right.
There's a blue. Blue's going in the hedges.
Yeah. Enemy in Alpha 1! Magazine. Hello.
Fucking hell.
Huh?
Good flag pusher.
Nah, try. I fucking got cop locked.
I need a token here.
Can you see him? As if they're going to advance. Hello.
Oh, they just said hold.
Sorry.
How many mags you got for that?
What's in? 2. I'm only going to shoot out what I can
Well,
hit.
I've got 3 mags, mate. You can switch to the 2-2 if you want.
They're going to hold East Fob like anything.
They are going to hold these for block.
I mean,
there's not many pushing this way.
Right, let's leave an element here to hold this.
The beacon's on
so
it!
they can't get this. And then we'll try and get the next one.
I think they know we're coming now.
So we need to go one way. We need these fobs.
Mate, make sure we don't go too far in front with no cover.
Can we get some DMR and range support? Mate, medic's got the flag at the moment.
Yeah. They're coming down. They're coming down.
Crossing left. Crossing left.
Push down here.
Paul, you're a medic, you're valuable. Do you want me to take the flag?
Yeah, do you want it?
Yeah, I'll come back down. I'm on my sidearm anyway. Cheers. Where's the fire coming from? What we know in that direction? Martin. So, do you want to rally? So he's going to smoke over there, where they're shooting this way. They're pushing up alongside the side of the map. I'm just going to get as far as I can here. Keep the medic valuable. Right, are we ready? Ready. Okay, I'm going to cross. Crossing.
Go, go, go!
Crossing rear. I've got it. Clear up ahead a little bit. Keep clearing, mate. Keep pushing up. Let's keep going. Keep it flowing.
Keep it going.
Over there. There's definitely a few dug in the building. Do you want to join him?
You do that or we just all run?
Get a left flank from the tyres and then straight on here. Split left flank and straight flank. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Let's push this flag up, mate.
Yeah, I've got it, I've got it. I need an advance party with me. I need an advance party with me. Advancing, advancing. Where have we been shot from? Where have we been shot from?
From this side.
Shit. What? I'm out, I'm out! I'm out, I'm out! Yeah, we've got the flag in position, got the flag in position.
You've got 8 minutes to hold this area now.
From the tyres! From the tyres! Rear, where we come from! Everyone keep an angle! He's shooting that way. Martin, you're 6. Martin.
Need 2 more. Push on the trench with us. Yep,
Yes.
go round. Try to push it.
I'm going to fill the defence, mate, on firepower.
Yeah.
Where do you get him from, that lad?
Sounds good.
Where you going with it? Nice.
Better throw in than I did.
Safety off. Crossing. 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 Contact! Contact on us from farm. We've completed all 3. The best we can do now is run Signpost Hill and deny the Reds, their last objective.
This is why I chose to be the medic.
Where's front? Martin bugging out!
Signpost!
Bugging out, back to Signpost Hill. They're all at Signpost, mate, they're all at Signpost Hill, the Reds. No, Reds have got it.
All over Signpost. Fucking lost it.
They can't shoot us all. They can't shoot us all, can they? Someone's gun. receiving, Martin. If you're alive. Single crew, mate. I've only got half a mag and pistol. Saved your life. 1 round. Move position, mate, because he knows I'm here. I've got 1 round. Sacrifice me, mate, if you've got the ammo. They'll know I'm here. Let them come and kill me. I've got 1 round, mate. You owe me a drink. I'll call it, I'm empty. I'll call it.
I'm sorry. You get you in a knee.
Dead, blue. Hit blue, stepping out cover. Hey, and X. Yes.